Gap filling grammar practice exercises. This is the first question. I will give you the answer in the next slide. I want you to pause the video, read this whole paragraph, write down the answers in your notebook, and then check the answers in the next slide. Let us check the answers. Perspiration is one of the ways of keeping our body furnace at a nice normal temperature. Actually, our body temperature is controlled by a center in the brain known as the thermostat. It consists of three parts: a control center, a beating center, and a cooling center. Suppose the temperature of the blood drops for some reason, the heating center goes to work and certain things begin to happen. Next question. Pause the video, read the fill in the blanks, and write the answer in your notebook. Let us check the answers. Veta Refinery has been ordered to halt the construction of its aluminum refinery as the company had not got the required environmental clearances. 500 lives in India alone have been taken by dengue. 4 men who were about to fly to Mumbai were nabbed by the police for robbery. Indian researchers have said that earth-friendly plastic from plants has been invented. Read the questions and options. Write the answers in your notebook. Reading books is a good hobby. Books open a vast new world to us. They increase our knowledge and change our outlook towards the world. Read the question and the options. Write the answers in your notebook. Let us see the answers. Communication has become very effective and instant due to smartphones. People are, people are able to convey their message all around the globe to their loved ones without spending hefty sums of money. Filling the gaps with appropriate form of the verbs given in the bracket. Read the paragraph and write the answers in your notebook. Loudly knocking at the gate, someone demanded admission into my room. It is not my habit to keep someone out for long. I immediately opened the door as I believe it is decent to give a good reception to guests. I saw a man carrying a basket of flowers in his hand. I asked him to come in and he agreed to accept my hospitality. Fill in the gaps with appropriate form of the verbs given in the bracket. Read the paragraph and write the answers in your notebook. Let us check the answers. One evening, walking down the road, I saw a funny old man leaning against a lamp post. Looking at my pockets, he asked if I had got my salary. Surprised at the question, I wanted to move away, but he held on to my arm as if it was my duty to treat him to coffee. Having realized that it was no use arguing with him, I let him drag me to the nearest coffee shop. Fill in the gaps with appropriate form of the verbs given in the bracket. Read the passage and write the answers in your notebook. Maintain a balanced lifestyle, we should prioritize self-care practices such as regular exercise and healthy eating habits to promote overall well-being. Individuals should also engage in mindfulness activities such as meditation or yoga to improve mental health. Additionally, seeking support from friends, family, or mental health professionals anytime one feels overwhelmed can contribute to a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Fill in the gaps with appropriate form of the verbs given in the bracket. Read the passage and write the answers in your notebook. Last week, our school organized a debate competition. By the time I arrived, the hall was filled with students. The topic was technology, a boon or a curse. Each participant must present their arguments clearly. One speaker forgot his points, but he managed to continue although he was nervous. At the end, the judges announced the winners and everyone clapped enthusiastically. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.